I promise you, these are both fully functioning cars. These are not rollerblades, or this is not a golf cart. This is Abarth's latest cars. This is the 695 Competizione and this is the 695 Turismo. What makes them special? Then that's what we're gonna find out. My name is Jab and you're watching Automax. These two cars are almost identical. The highlight of this word being almost. This one has a hard roof and this is convertible. It has this beautiful Abarth logo at the back of this car, and this can't because this is cloth. But now let's focus on what makes them the same. They have the same 180 horsepower, 1.4 liter turbo engine.
They're both rocking 17-inch sports wheels with rainbow brakes. And this car has Monza exhaust that make the car sound louder than you expect it to. When you look inside, you'll see that these cars come with either a leather seat or a Caro-style carbon fiber bucket seat for a more racy look and feel. In the middle, we have a 7-inch infotainment system that has all the features you can think of, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. All that paired with Beats speakers, you're gonna have a great sound experience. In the back, you have 185 liter of boot space, which is all you can expect for a car this size.
Now let's test this car. Let's go. But first things first, let's hear the exhaust. That's a pretty loud exhaust for a car this small. Anyhow, let's go for a ride. Okay, the second gear has a kick. So does the third, mashallah. For a car this small, the exhaust is loud, the performance is very admirable. For a car that has 185 horsepower, 180 horsepower, it's more than adequate. It has a kick, it has a punch that I like, and even though it's petite in size, I can actually fit pretty well. Well, it would be the right word because, as I said, I'm 6'6" tall. If I can sit this snug and this comfortable in this car, I think any person slightly shorter than I am will sit comfortable. Although I think I have to open the shed so that I can, pop my head a little bit so I have some breathing room. If it's closed, I think I'd be a bit shorter, but other than that, it's a snug fit. It's comfortable to drive. It has this slightly bucket sit type of arrangement that holds you very tight in place, so in corners it feels very smooth. So yeah, I like this car. I like it. Not bad. Not bad at all. These are two pretty decent cars for their size. If you want easy maneuverability and if you want to go in and out of the parking very smoothly, these are the perfect cars to go to. By the way, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you want to see these or any other car reviews on our channel. My name is Jab and you are watching Automax. بس نو